In his final tune-up against the Rangers yesterday, 5 2/3 innings pitched, 2 hits, 6 strikeouts, 1 walk. He does not give up a run in that 4-0 Brewers victory. He had been scuffling a bit throughout the course of spring. After the game, he said that he's got to try to take some of that momentum from yesterday's game into the season.
Just started flashing.
On the high note there to go right into the season. I think it definitely helps with some of the night and everything that we've been working on. We'll really get the season going and get everything moving in the right direction.
Brewers wrap up exhibition play this afternoon with another game against the Rangers. They're letting a whole bunch of fans into their brand new ballpark. Manager Craig Counsell said there was kind of a level of normalcy with the game yesterday.
There was a nice crowd. We could tell just the players. We had our dugout was almost a little crowded tonight, probably, which is a sign from the players that they're, that it's coming around the corner too. So this was a great place to have a tune-up for sure.